here I have put shims underneath the shims. That way I can cut them level and it will have the correct amount of degrees in the shim for the Lagun table. Now I'll run the cut program. Here I have successfully installed these shims. So the taper is on the thicker side of the taper is on the inside, back behind the bolts, and that makes my Lagun mount, wall mount, level with this pillar. Before it was kicked in pretty far this direction, like about a ½ an inch before I put the shims in. Good morning. Today I will be installing the Lagun mount onto this piece of ABS that I machined on my CNC router. Have a little personalized touch with the dog prints here. I went ahead and removed the top part of the Lagun mount. Here's the Lagun table. I'm going to finish coloring these before I fill them with epoxy. I'll finish coloring them black, and then after I fill these with epoxy and sand down to level, then I'll go ahead and top coat everything with epoxy. Or inside.